Include IOStream. This library set as use cout to print output and cin to get input. And using namespace std, avoid writing std before each count and cin. And define the main function. Int main, open and close parentheses. Every C++ program have a main, open and parentheses function. The program execution start from him the int main, open and close parentheses. So dito is magde-declare na tayo ng variable which is yung double num1, num2 and the result. Num1 and num2 store the numbers the user will enter. And OP is the character variable to store the arithmetic operator. So ito yung mga addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Siya yung lalagyan ng mga operators. And dito, mag-i-input na tayo which is yung cout, enter first number, and cin num1. And cout, enter operator which is yung addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and cin op. And cout, enter second num, cin num2. So, ginagamit natin ang if-else statement para sa operation. No. Kung ang pinasok mong operation ay plus, gagawin ng addition na pag-add ang dalawang numbers. Kung ang pinasok mo naman operators ay subtraction, gagawin ang subtraction ng two numbers. Kung ang pinasok mo na operation ay multiplication, gagawin din multiplication ang two numbers. So dito, ginagamit na natin ang if-else para sa division at maiwasan ang division by 0. Kung ang pinasok mo na operator ay division, gagawin ng division at hahatiin niya ang two numbers. If num2 it equals to 0, sinisiguradong hindi 0 ang denominator bago i-divide. Kung 0 ang denominator, magpapakita ito ng error message. Error, division by 0 is not allowed. Magpapakita ng mensahe kung invalid ang operator, kung hindi addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division ang in-input mo na operator, magpapakita ito ng error message. And return to 0, ang ibig sabihin nito ay natapos na ang iyong ginagawang program. So first is enter the first number which is a 5 and enter the operator which is a addition and enter the second number and the result is equals to 10. Enter the first number which is a 9 and enter the operator which is a subtraction and enter the second number which is a 8 and result is 1. So first number which is a 16 and enter the operator which is a multiplication and enter the second number which is a 2 and result is so lastly is enter the first number which is yung 10 and enter the operator which is yung division and enter the second number which is 5 and the result is 10.